Hi, welcome back to my channel. Right, so today we're going to continue about how to use ChatGPT in this year 2024 and what are the other feature capability. Right, previously I shared in two different video the different feature and capability of ChatGPT in terms of content generation. So today I want to continue to talk about a bit the writing capability of ChatGPT is limitless, right? So this is where ChatGPT have been shining, right, in terms of automating some of the writing content, right? Any content, anything you ask about content generation, it's able to give to you, right? So first thing first, let's look at the writing, right? So today, let's say if you working people, right? You want to apply for a job, right? Let's explore a bit how ChatGPT can create email template to apply for a job. Let's say you are in the IT field, right? So you want to uh, apply for a job, want to send a formal email to the hiring manager, right? Then you can just use this prompt, right? Just copy and paste it here, right? And just click enter, right? So so this is how it look like. So it's can application for IT project and position. There, so this is if you know the name, right? So we can copy paste this email template onto your autoresponder, right? Email marketing software and start sending it, right? So it may not be a IT project position. It could be any others job example, right? Let's say you're applying for a accountant job or account executive, right? Um, accountant, right? So you can easily from the GPT. So you don't have to think, cracking your head how to write this email, right? And instead, some of the plastic features about this just GPT. Right. So you can ask it to define the email. If you are not satisfied, you can always ask to define the email. Okay. So yep. So there's one thing, right? Let's move on to the next topic about, let's say if you have a new product, right? And you would like to promote it. Let's say you're going to launch your digital marketer, right? You're going to launch a new ebook, or whether you launch it on Water Plus, or it could be Kindle, right? Amazon Kindle, right? Then you you can ask ChatGPT to create a 7 days email sequence or something like this, right? Right? And you can just say create 7 day email sequence to promote what you that how to make uh, thousands a day on Instagram. Let's say you have an ebook uh, teaching people how to make thousands a day on Instagram. Then you ask ChatGPT, you want to promote this to your email list, right? And as per the rule of thumb, right? Any product you promoted to your list, right? People need to see at least 7 times to have the chances to buy it, right? So what I need to do, just click enter, right? So I said day one, hey, we segregate to you day one, day two, day three, right? So we can just copy all this into a notepad and start uh, creating the email sequence. So we email marketing software, it could be direct response, right? Or any others established email software, right? It can actually be able to do the email marketing campaign. So this is how the idea or the idea of writing the email, right? Okay, so let's move on to the others about, let's say, how about brainstorming, right? Yeah, this is one of the way how we can interactively communicate with the ChatGPT, asking about giving a top idea, right? About how to do certain thing better, how to improve certain thing. Example, right? If I having birthday party for about 20 friends and we want to do something out of that cost under 50 persons, can you give me five ideas what to do, right? So this is so you are going to have a birthday party, right? And your birthday is coming soon, and just you don't know what is the idea, how you should organize your party, uh, uh, what is which place to go, what to eat, right, this and that, and what entertainment, right? And you can always ask to those let's say you say ask out loud, right? So this is what the sponsor is giving, right? Picnic in the park, right? Okay. So this is some of the uh idea thought given by ChatGPT for your consideration. So if you want to do something outdoor, then you can do something like picnic in the park, beach day, hiking and outdoor adventure, backyard barbecue, outdoors movie night. All this is some of the activity you can consider for your birthday party, right? So let's say uh, if you would like to go for the picnic, right? Uh, picnic in the park, right? So you can just ask it to expand further, expand on the picnic in the park, give me the step by step how to do it. Okay, how to do it. So here is a step by step. If we show you, so you're something you're feeling blur, how to get started, and this is the idea given by ChatGPT, how to actually organize your party, so-called the picnic party, right? And all the steps have been given to you for your lessons, right? You may follow exactly the same, but this is some of the starting point, how instead of keep struggling, way to get started, right? So there is a brainstorming ideas. So there's others different way can brainstorm, ChatGPT to brainstorm, uh, for you. I take for example, you say, I want to start my own business about selling food. So please give me five idea what to do. So it's enter, right? Yep. So you can have food truck and uh catering business, right? The step to start, uh meat preparation services, right? All this kind of specialty bakery, right? And these some of the idea you want to serve business, right? Right, so pretty cool, right? In terms of the brainstormings, the really good at this brainstorming, right? So let's say next point is about you want to start a business, right? That's how a really good example, right? There are more example to give. Let's say you want to start a business about doing terms of payment services, right? And basically standing under the maps. So what you need to do is just on ChatGPT, uh, wait, let me take a call. Okay, uh, going back to the where we are right now, and yeah, so you want to start a business on computing service. Let's say you are good at depending the laptop of computer, right? So you want to start a business about this, then you can want to start a business and servicing and starting a computer business, step by step guide to start business. And this is market research, right? Business planning, legal requirements, location and equipment, right? And service offering and pricing, marketing and promotion. So this is can get a lot of idea for to start business, right? So you can even further define, let's say you want to uh and this is a convention guide how to get started, right? Okay. All right. So you want the business name? Give me 10 business name. Business name. So you want the business name, right? Okay. Right. So just now it give you some start how to get started. So this is some the business name, right? You can use it as defined, right? Okay. So let's go on and look at the others. So how to build this business? I think just now you already explained it, but you can just ask the no harm, right? So it's the same I just showed to you. So first you ask what's the name, right? And how to build a business, right? Let's say you would like to also jump to other business like a house cleaning, right? And I'm giving more example here because a lot of people nowadays they like to uh they don't like to work 9 to 5, they like to start some business, right? So here is some idea, right? Uncle, cool. Yeah, these themes are short, catchy, and convey the idea of cleaning the airport. So you want to start some cleaning services, right? And it is how we can actually commit. It's a name given here, right? Good. And and so you say those names sound boring, so you want to ask you to define this, right? So those names sound boring, give me another pen, right? Okay, so same thing. How to get started? Can just ask to give an idea, right? Okay, cool. Yeah, it's a got a break now how to start all the businesses, right? And let's talk about ChatGPT also good at summarizing text, right? Example, right? I have this long article talking about top 10 technology trends shaping business transformation, right? Right. So, so what I can do, I will ask ChatGPT to summarize these uh, 3 paragraphs, for example. Right. So just ask it to do something like summarize this text. So just text summarize this text. So just ship. So enter, right? Okay. And oh, right, so if we help you to summarize this text, right, and make it easy to understand, right? Or you can uh say summarize explain to 10 years old, right? So you can even ask GPT to define it. I want to summarize explain this to the 10 years old child, college student, nice, etc. Right? So this look at this how it goes, right? So pretty cool, right? Uh, the capability, right? So let's break it down, right? And in today's world, business need to keep up with new technology to stay engaged, studying, and to game, but there's a new version. So it's giving a way how to explain to the 10 years old child. So they say you want to do the same thing for the college student, maybe is able to give you a different version based on their maturity of thinking, right? Uh, and this is how you can pretty cool, right? And this is something I believe before you even come to know about ChatGPT, I think you are able to do something like this quickly in matter of second. Okay, another cool thing is you have a book, the title, and you can actually ask it to summarize it for what they right. Something like this is a book, right? So it's a book that shares the story of the author to date, his biological father. And let's say if you would like to know more about what is a book about, and you go to the bookstore and you have this book and you want to have some idea quickly, you can just use a mobile ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to show you, oh, I have this book title, but I don't know what it's all about, whether it does it fit into my reading appetite or things like that. So you can easily do something like this, right? So yeah, so that's all for this lesson, right? I'm going to share you more about what other writing capability for ChatGPT in the next video, right? So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video, right? Okay, thank you, bye.